Yo, what's going on now? I bet everyone's looking at this and thinking, what on earth is he doing now? You leave him alone for 5 minutes and the whole car's in bits, do you know what I mean? And we're in a mess, we're in a muddle, everything's just in a mess, do you know what I mean? I suppose it's one of them. But what you're looking at here is actually when I did a key barrel replacement on my stepdad's Mark 6 Fiesta GHIA. It was a 1.4. It was an absolute nightmare. There's two little slots basically. You get a little Allen key and you've got to push that in, and with the key in it pops out. Now I did this, we stripped the key barrel down, I tried to repair it manually. Basically the pin had gone in it, that didn't work, so then I had to get a second key barrel and get that all plumbed in. But as you can see, everything's just stripped down and it was an absolute nightmare. But I managed it, and for saying I'm not a mechanic or an electrician or anything like that, it was pretty simple. And like I say, when you swap it all out, that's the hole there where you get the Allen key in, and it was just an absolute pain. When you end up stripping it all out, you just get a new ECU. You get the old ECU chip from your old key and put it on the new one. It's job done, and as easy as that.